High-speed drifter. Experience thrilling adventures with our remote control car, which offers dual speed modes, reaching speeds of up to 20 km/h. Perfect for both kids and adults who love racing. Equipped with LED headlights and taillights, this car not only ensures visibility during low-light conditions, but also adds a sleek and stylish flair to every race. Smooth tires are engineered for the ultimate drifting experience, letting you glide effortlessly around every corner with precision and unmatched style. Switch to the grip tires and take speed to the next level, gripping the track with power and precision. The hard plastic top gives the car a sleek, race-ready look. Customer reviews 3.8 out of 5 stars, no one. The Flare RC Drift car is an absolute blast to drive. Its smooth handling, responsive controls, and stylish design make it perfect for both beginners and experienced drifters. The precision in cornering and the realistic drift action bring a ton of excitement to every session. Plus, the build quality feels solid and durable. If you're looking for an RC car that's fun, fast, and full of flair, the Flare is a fantastic choice. 2. Love the attention to detail and quality L.O.T has put in the car. The short comic book, mock license, and accessories such as barrels and traffic cones were awesome. The box it comes in mimics a shipping container. Build quality. The car is made out of hard plastic, so should be fine with bumps. The car in itself is fast and drifts as advertised. Haven't tried the grip tires, but with just the drift tires, the car was fast. For speed, the trigger controller comes with a speed button. Start off slow. Last thing is the lights. Car looks awesome with the lights on. All in all, this will make a great gift for kids or car enthusiasts. 3. Best drift car you can possibly buy in this price range. The car's better than I expected. The battery will last about 45 minutes. It's so fast. Thank you, seller.